Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Here I am going to show you how to make a card in Canva. You can see the whole procedure. The Independence Day card. Simply we write down and then we can choose any customized template. Template must not be in a pro version. Okay, then we can open it in our Canva editor. Simply we do some editing. Now we're gonna change the colors and the backgrounds, add some customized images. Very simple, quick and easy procedure. Simply change the color according to our flag. I can choose the green color for the main heading. Then I am going to use some elements. I can choose an element, flag. It is not in a pro version. Yeah, yes. Duplicate and drop it. So the end, and here our card is ready. Thanks for watching.